Hey, what's up, and welcome back to a new video. Shawn's the name, YouTube's the game. Let's talk about YouTube today. Now let's talk about how YouTube can exponentially grow your business. So if you didn't know by now, YouTube is poised to be the largest search engine out there, okay? It's number 2 right now, right behind Google, but we all know that video is absolutely king. So whether you have a small business, large business, massive corporation, whatever, if you aren't already using video, and YouTube in particular, to grow your brand, and you're about to be left in the dust. So I actually just recently finished a brand new spanking course, YouTube Masterclass course, specifically geared towards businesses. Essentially, how to get leads or how to grow your business through YouTube. So if you're interested in that, you can check the link down below. But the reason I'm making this video is to give a broad overview of how this actually works. I've done tons of tests and I've done tons of research specifically to find out what works on YouTube in regards to growing a business and what doesn't really work. So what have I learned over the years, and then in particular, what have I learned recently when putting this course together? Well, firstly, there's 2 ways to actually grow your brand on YouTube. The first way to do it is through uploading videos to your channel, kind of like this video right now that you're watching. And 2, by spending a little bit of money in advertising to actually get your message, to get your brand out to the masses. And if you're sitting there going, well, Shawn, what's the best way to do it? Well, my answer to you is actually gonna be both, the free way and the paid way, because they both have pros and cons to each, and if you can maximize both of them for the benefit of your business, you are gonna grow so dang quick. I mean, look at people like Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, etc. I mean, you can connect so much better through video than through text or some image or anything else out there. You really get a connection with those on the other side of the screen when you're watching an actual video. Again, look at the biggest of the big, the Gary Vees, the Grant Cardones, all those people, they're using both of these techniques. They're putting messages and putting videos out on their own social channels, their own YouTube channels, and they're also using some paid advertising to get their message out to the masses. So by being able to fully utilize this model by using some paid advertising to grow your business or brand, but also using some organic posting and some organic videos on your own channel to grow your video or brand, together, that is what's really gonna set you apart. So many people have already done this, and so many people are in the process of doing it right now. For example, I created this channel for this exact example. Okay, sure, I've got plenty of successful YouTube channels out there, but I created this channel that you're watching right now in particular to show you that you have to start from the ground up to build this. So again, this channel was created for the sole purpose of proving how you can build a channel up from the ground to grow your business and absolutely crush it. And it's really not that hard. It just requires a bit of work and some dedication for it to actually happen. Well, how exactly does this work? Well, you need to be releasing regular content, and regular content that's actually good and people want to actually watch, because over time, this audience is going to be warming up to you, and as they warm up to you, they'll be more likely to do a transaction with you or do whatever your goal is with your business. Best advice I can give you is to be regular with your content and to show people what your business is all about. If they're searching about your business or want to learn more about your business, connect with them via video. That's the best way to do it. Oh, and be genuine. People really appreciate that. Don't promote or be something that you're not. Think of growing your business with YouTube this way, okay? Think of it as you providing something of value before someone else provides something of value to you. Essentially, give before you receive. I'm really big on that. For example, I've got some great online courses, some paid courses that will really take someone to the next level, whether it be in YouTube or for something else. But before that transaction exists, I'm always constantly giving away some great free content on this channel. I'm always giving before I receive. Whether it be, like I said, YouTube tips or tricks or something finance related, I'm always giving something of value before I look for that transaction. That right there is huge. So take that and apply that to your business. But again, being able to fully utilize paid advertising on YouTube with also some non-paid advertising on your own channel can really build your brand up and build your business. Again, if you want to learn more about this, or really if you want to just see some examples on how this has exponentially blown up some other businesses, then check the link down below to check out my new course. Yes, it is a paid course, but before you actually register and sign up for the course, I'm all about giving away some value so you will see the full blueprint on how you can apply this to your business, so it could be worth your time. But ultimately, I hope you learned something new. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you can hit that like button and also subscribe if you're new around here. Again, I'm always releasing some great content on this channel that can help you out, whether it's YouTube related or just finance related in general. So it's definitely worth your while to stick around. But again, Shawn's the name, YouTube's the game. I wish you all the best of luck on here, and I'll see you soon.